I ain't going up high.
Huh?
Thought you were going up that high.
I'm gonna go under it. Hopefully, these ain't the recalled ones, right?
I'm not going under, so.
We don't know. Fuck it. Look it up.
So, some jack stands were recently recalled. We didn't check if these were the ones. Good thing we have a floor jack. And things don't get the other floor jack just in case. But what brand floor jack is that? That might have been recalled too. Should be safe. Should be alright. I'm not going around there. Yeah. Those jack stands look more janky than the ones that are recalled.
Yeah, but it's just for bonus protection, bro. Just for extra protection.
Oh, they're twisted.
Look.
Told you, those are more janky than the ones that are recalled. Those are from like the 80s.
Better, stronger steel. You didn't say the brand. Oh, these look pretty cheap, huh? Oh, shit. Look at that. I think we should drive this right over. Just because we gotta see where the fuck it's hit. Where it leaked from. Because if it leaked from the drain, then it's cool. But if it leaked from up top, like if it's rubbing somewhere,
All of it.
yeah. Shit. I don't know.
So this one's staying home today. Yeah, good thing we checked it. Didn't drive far away.
Yeah, that's already locked up all the way right there. Ready? Today's one of those days, dude. We found out the 56 fuel cell is loose, so we didn't get to drive it. Then we left the shop hella late. Then we can't get a hold of my brother. Finally, he's here. We're gonna pick him up, but hopefully we don't miss the crew. We're running hella late. We're supposed to meet Big Watch. Not happening.
You guys waiting for me?
Fuck. Ready?
Damn, it's small back here. Yep.
One of those days, bro. Didn't get lunch. What did I have? Cereal this morning at like 8? Fuck. Nothing. Let's go.
What'd you have?
Nothing. Coffee.
You know what I had?
What? These nuts.
Menudo.
Oh, nice.
Damn, from somebody dropped it off or
Hey,
what?
you had that one from Fish and Chips?
Yeah, it's famous.
Bomb.
Supposed to be best menudo in Salinas. but
Fire.
I
Hey,
don't
you know who
eat
got some? You know who got it for us? Junior. I was like, woo, what a guy.
it. Nice.
I was like, what a guy.
I fucking knew it was one of those days, bro. I fucking knew it. We lost the brakes. Right as we got off the freeway. Thank God. Right as we got off the freeway, bro. Fucking pedal went straight to the floor. Fuck. I fucking knew it was gonna be one of those days.
That's it.
They don't have a boost or nothing, like, you know.
Fluid?
Probably.
There's no fluid?
I don't know, I didn't check the map.
You're a savior.
I
Thanks.
was trying to go get my car. I was like, oh shit, where you guys going?
No brakes, no go.
I think, look at, there's a little bit of fluid up here.
Oh yeah, man.
I think it just squeezed it all out of here.
So you see anywhere else?
Oh
Has
shit,
some?
she still has some.
It's weird.
What the fuck? I don't know, but I'm not trying to drive it.
No.
You know what I'm saying? Like, if it's gonna keep losing the brakes, fuck that. Fuck.
Yeah, we should not brakes.
Fuck that. Oh, this is overflow. Oh, okay. So it's warmed up at, what is it at?
No, it's a 180.
180.
Good.
Shit.
But is that fresh? The little overflow here?
Yeah, look at this. But I don't know if that's coolant.
No.
The brake fluid's oily. I don't see nowhere where it could have leaked. Like, this ain't busted, you know what I mean? Like, it would have been wet right here.
Should I call AAA already?
Pretty much.
Here comes a ride. Pretty nice ride to cruise in. Here's the taxi. Uber, we called Uber and we got a fucking 62 Impala. Not bad at all. No cruise today. You've towed lower cars before. Fuck. See you in Salinas.
Ya me asusté, güey. You don't have good brakes, don't be gassing the brakes.
You know what you do? You go down the low, and if it don't want to stop,
Yeah, you slam it, drag it.
no, and then you no, I think with the stock wheels it'll slam.
Oh yeah.
I'll throw it in park.
Gotcha. Throw in park.
Fuck it. What are you gonna do? Go through a transmission or die?
Yeah, exactly.
The emergency kind of works a little bit. The ratchet
That's what I
one.
told him, bro. We need to fix the emergency brake.
Help yourself, whatever you want. You can pick more if you want.
Hey, you ever heard of a cooler? Really? You never heard of a cooler?
What do they call? Where's the novias? Where's the what is it?
Señoritas.
I know, right?
That's what we need. Where's Hector?
Okay. Yeah. Hey, good. I called them. Okay, let's go. They're good.
6 feet. 6 feet. 6 feet.
6 feet? Oh man, last time we went like, oh, we're too close.
6 feet.
Hey, what happened to the tape line?
Let me 6 feet or 6 inches?
Hey, follow the fucking line right here,
6
bro.
feet or 6 inches?
6 inches. It's all the same. It's all the same. It's all the same.
We're editing that out. Está trabajando duro.
Los tacos.
¿Y qué sigue?
Me da 4 pizzas con extra anchovy.
Ah,
Tengo todo. Es una jarita de piña. Pizza.
vamos a cenar juntos. A mí deme 2 de asada, 2 de suadero y 2 de pastor, por favor.
¿Todo?
Sí, por favor.
¿Algo más?
Deme una botella de agua.
¿Botella de agua natural?
Sí.
Ok.
2 de asada.
Uno de sabor.
Sí, y uno de pastor. Luego una con todo. Y una sidral.
Hey, bring some hand sanitizer? I got some. I left
Sí.
it in the wagon. That's it.
Todo.
Todo.